My name is Curt Wallace, and I've worked at County Materials for almost 11 years as a supervisor in the warehouse. Typical day is a stop, pivot, move, run. It could be anything. Making the parts, fabricating that goes inside the forms and the beams as they're building them. Like most of my job at County it's not repetitive. I'm always moving around, being able to move, flexible, staying busy, not doing one thing repetitive. I'm in the Army National Guard. I've been in 18 years. Primary role there is a 88 mic truck driver and squad leader. My role is taking care of my soldiers, making sure that they have everything that we need whenever we go out in the field or on any missions. My skills that I learned through the military are welding. That's what I do here, fabricating, so that helped me out quite a bit. I feel that the company supports us because they appreciate us and they back us up and they give us support on that. Give us little gifts throughout the year too.